Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to present our topic today. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Diava Kumala, and I'm joined by my group members Silviani Irfansyah and Tiara Ananda. We are students from the Mathematics Study Program. Before we begin, let us ask a simple question. Have you ever joined an online class or webinar but felt confused because the explanation was not clear? Sometimes the answer is correct, but the explanation makes it difficult to understand. This situation shows how important academic communication is, especially in digital learning. Today, we would like to present our topic entitled Enhancing Academic Communication Skill Through Digital Platform. In this webinar, I will explain 5 main sections. First, the background of academic communication in digital era. Second, the meaning of academic communication skills. Third, digital platform as academic communication media. Fourth, the benefit and challenges in mathematics learning. And finally, the conclusion. Let us begin our presentation. To begin our discussion, let us first look at the background of this topic. First, digital technology changes the way students learn. Digital technology has transformed the learning process in higher education. Learning is no longer centers only on traditional classrooms, but also involve digital tools and online environments. Students now rely on technology to access materials, communicate with lecturers, and participate in academic activities. This change requires students to adapt to new ways of learning and communicating. Second, learning can be done anytime and anywhere. With digital platform, learning can take place anytime and anywhere. Students are not limited by time or location, as learning materials can be accessed through the internet. This flexibility allows students to manage their learning independently and according to their own schedules. Third, online classes and webinars are widely used. Online classes and webinars have become common learning methods in universities. They allow institutions to reach many students at the same time and provide opportunities for interactive learning. Through webinars, students can listen to explanation, ask questions, and engage in academic discussion without being physically present. Fourth, students need to explain ideas clearly online. In online learning environment, students must be able to explain their ideas clearly using digital media. Without face-to-face interaction, unclear explanation can easily cause misunderstanding. Therefore, students need to organize their ideas well and communicate them effectively through digital platform. And the last one, good communication supports effective learning. Good academic communication plays an important role in effective learning. Clear explanation helps students understand learning materials better and reduce confusion. Effective communication also supports meaningful discussion and help achieve learning objectives. After understanding the background, we will now discuss academic communication skill. This part will be explained by my colleague, Silviani Irfansyah.
And method is academic communication skills. First is ability to share ideas and knowledge clearly. Academic communication skills refer to the ability to express ideas and knowledge clearly and logically. Students are expected to organize their thoughts and present them in a structured way so that others can easily understand their message. Clear communication is essential in academic settings. Second is use simple and correct academic language. Using a simple and correct academic language is important in academic communication. Students should avoid informal language and use appropriate terms that fit academic context. Clear and precise prevent misunderstandings and improves the quality of communication. Third is writing academic text. Writing is an important part of academic communication. Students are required to write reports, assignments, and academic papers using clear structure and logical argument. Good academic writing allows ideas to be communicated effectively and support academic understanding. Fourth is giving presentation. Giving presentations is another important academic skill. Students must be able to explain ideas orally in a clear and confident manner. Presentations help students share knowledge, explain concepts, and demonstrate understanding of academic topics. And last is joining discussion. Participating Participating in academic discussions help students develop critical thinking skills. Through discussions, students can ask questions, respond to opinions, and exchange ideas with others. Active participation also improves communication, confidence, and academic understanding. Next, let us see how digital platforms support academic communications. Digital platform as academic communication media. First is digital platform support academic communication. Digital platform play a significant role in supporting academic communications. They provide space where students and lecturers can interact, share information, and collaborate. This platform help maintain communication even without direct physical interaction. Second is Learning Management Systems or LMS. Learning management systems are widely used in higher education to manage learning activities. Through LMS, a student can access material, submit assignments, and participate in online discussions. LMS help organize learning process in a structured and systematic way. Third is online meeting platform. Online meeting platforms allow real-time communication between students and lecturers. They support lectures, presentations, and discussion through video and audio features. These platforms help create interactive learning experience in virtual environment. Fourth is shared document. Shared documents support collaborative academic work. Students can work together on assignments, edit documents, and give feedback in real time. This collaboration improves communications and teamwork in academic stage. Fifth is help explain formulas, graphs, and tables. Digital platforms help explain mathematical concepts such as formulas, graphs, and tables. Visual representations make abstract concepts easier to understand. Step-by-step explanations can also be shared clearly through digital media. Now that we understand the role of digital platforms, we will move on the benefits and challenges. This part will be explained by Tiara.
The discussion can now move on to the topic. Benefits and challenges. First, clear explanation using text, symbol, and visual. One major benefit of digital platform is the ability to combine text, symbol, and visual. This combination helps students explain mathematical ideas more clearly. Visual elements such as graph and diagram support better understanding of complex concepts.
Second, better understanding of math concept. Digital platform help students understand mathematical concept more effectively. Visual explanation and structured connect reduce confusion and help students follow problem-solving process more easily. Third, more interactive discussion and feedback. Digital platform allow more interactive discussion. Students can ask questions, share opinion, and receive feedback from lecturer and peer. This interaction support active learning and improves communication skill. Fourth, abstract math concepts are difficult. Despite the benefit, mathematical concepts are often abstract and difficult to explain online. Without direct guidance, students might struggle to understand complex ideas. This challenge requires clear explanation and effective communication strategies. Fifth, technical and internet problems. Technical issues such as poor internet connection and software problem can disrupt academic communication. This problem might reduce the effectiveness of online learning and cause frustration for students. Six, limited face-to-face interaction. Limited face-to-face interaction can affect communication quality. Students might feel less confident expressing ideas and might miss immediate feedback. This limitation requires adaptation and improved communication skill. Slide 6. Conclusion. First, academic communication is very important. Academic communication is a key element in successful learning. It allows students to share ideas clearly and support understanding in academic environment. Second, digital platforms support mathematics learning. Digital platforms provide tools that support communication in mathematics learning. They help present ideas clearly and organize learning material effectively. Third, clear communication improves understanding. Clear academic communication reduces misunderstanding and improves comprehension. Students can follow explanation more easily and achieve better learning outcomes. For digital skill need continuous practice. Digital communication skill must be practiced continuously. Students need to adapt to technological change and improve their ability to communicate academically. Effective communication leads to better learning. Effective academic communication leads to better learning experience and outcomes. By developing this skill, students can such in digital learning environment. And last, the only way to learning mathematics is to do mathematics. Mathematics cannot be fully understood just by reading or listening to explanation. True understanding comes from active practice, solving problems, trying, making mistakes, and then correcting them. Mathematics is a skill, not just memorizing formula. For of a simple explanation, like learning riding a bike, it's not enough to just watch others. You have to trying it yourself. I would now like to hand the session back to Tifa for the finally closing.
This brings us to the end of our presentation. Thank you very much for taking the time to join this webinar and for giving us your full attention. We hope that the discussion today has provided useful insight into the importance of academic communication skills and how digital platform can support learning, especially in mathematics. Academic communication is not only about delivering correct answer, but also about explaining ideas clearly, sharing reasoning, and building understanding through the effective communication. We truly appreciate your participation in this session. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.